Looking back at your school days, how much did you really learn about managing money? Probably not much, right? Traditional education focuses on academic subjects, but it often overlooks essential life skills like financial management. Mastering money management is key to achieving financial freedom and security. In this video, we'll cover 5 crucial money skills that schools typically don't teach. These skills will empower you to take control of your finances, make informed decisions, and build lasting wealth. Get ready to dive into the financial knowledge you need to succeed in the real world and set yourself up for long-term success. 1. How to budget, the 50/30/20 rule. One of the most important financial skills you'll ever learn is budgeting. It's not about limiting your lifestyle. It's about gaining control over your money so that you can live freely and comfortably within your means. Without a solid budget, it's all too easy to lose track of your spending and find yourself asking, where did all my money go? That's why creating a budget is essential to financial success. One of the most effective methods for budgeting is the 50/30/20 rule, which is simple to implement and can have a lasting positive impact on your finances. The core idea behind this rule is to allocate 50% of your income to your needs. Needs include essential expenses such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, food, transportation, and insurance. These are expenses that must be covered each month, and they form the foundation of your budget. The next 30% is for your wants. These are discretionary expenses that aren't critical for survival, but they enhance your life. This category can include things like dining out, entertainment, travel, and shopping for clothes or gadgets. Finally, the last 20% of your income should be reserved for savings and investments. This portion will help you build an emergency fund, save for future goals, and create wealth for the long term. By following this budgeting method, you ensure that you are meeting your essential needs, enjoying life, and still setting aside money for future security. The goal is to find a healthy balance, taking control of your money so that it works for you. When you control your spending and savings, you can make confident decisions that bring financial peace and security. 2. Understanding and building credit. Your credit score is one of the most important numbers in your financial life, yet it's rarely taught in schools. This score affects many areas of your life, from the interest rates you pay on loans to your ability to rent an apartment or even secure a job. Unfortunately, many people don't realize its impact until they need to use credit, and by then, it may be too late. Building a good credit score starts with understanding the factors that contribute to it. Your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit accounts, and recent credit inquiries all play a role in determining your score. Each factor has a specific weight, and how you manage them can either improve or hurt your score. For example, if you make late payments or max out your credit cards, your score will drop, costing you more in the long run. One of the best ways to build and maintain good credit is by using a credit card wisely. This means paying your balance off in full each month and keeping your credit utilization ratio low. A general rule of thumb is to use no more than 30% of your available credit. Keeping your balance low relative to your limit shows lenders that you can manage credit responsibly. By paying your bills on time, avoiding high debt levels, and using credit wisely, you can steadily improve your credit score. Over time, this will allow you to access better financial opportunities, such as lower interest rates on mortgages, car loans, and even lower premiums on insurance. The key is consistency. 3. Investing to beat inflation. Saving money is important, but it's often not enough to secure long-term wealth. Inflation is the silent killer of savings. Over time, it erodes the purchasing power of your cash. If you're not investing, you're likely losing money without even realizing it. Investing is the key to beating inflation and building wealth over time. The first step in investing is understanding the concept of compound interest, which allows your money to grow exponentially by earning interest on both the principal and the interest that has already been added. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow, and the more powerful compound interest becomes. You don't need to be a stock market expert to get started. One of the best ways to begin investing is through index funds, which allow you to invest in a broad range of stocks with just one purchase. They are low-cost, passive investments that track the performance of major stock indices like the S&P 500. These funds provide diversification, helping to reduce risk while offering long-term growth potential. Additionally, real estate investments and bonds can provide passive income and regular interest payments. The key takeaway here is that saving alone won't help you beat inflation. Investing allows you to protect and grow your wealth, giving your money the potential to work harder for you. By investing wisely, you're setting yourself up for long-term financial success. 4. Navigating the tax system. Taxes are a fact of life, but most schools don't teach students how to navigate the complex world of taxes. Understanding the tax system can save you thousands of dollars and help you keep more of your income. The first step is understanding your tax bracket, which determines how much of your income will be taxed. The more you earn, the higher your tax rate, but the system is progressive, meaning you're taxed at different rates on different portions of your income. For example, the first $10,000 of income may be taxed at a lower rate than the next $20,000. Next, it's essential to learn about tax advantage accounts. These are accounts that allow you to save money on taxes while building wealth for the future. Popular tax-advantaged accounts include IRAs, 401(k)s, and HSAs. Contributions to these accounts are either tax-deferred or tax-free, depending on the type of account. For example, 401(k) contributions are made with pre-tax dollars, meaning you don't pay taxes on the money until you withdraw it in retirement. This gives your investments more room to grow. Understanding taxes also involves learning how to file your taxes efficiently. This might mean using tax software or consulting a professional to ensure you're not paying more than you need to. Filing taxes correctly also ensures you're taking advantage of any deductions or credits available to you. With a basic understanding of taxes, you can legally reduce your tax burden and keep more of your hard-earned money. The goal is to navigate the system wisely, save money, and ensure your future financial security. 5. Generating multiple income streams. Relying on a single income source is risky, especially in an unpredictable economy. The idea of having multiple income streams is essential for building financial freedom and security. By diversifying your income sources, you can better weather financial challenges and create long-term wealth. One of the most common ways to generate multiple income streams is through a side hustle. This could be anything from freelancing to creating a small business. Skills like digital marketing, data analysis, or graphic design are in high demand and can be used to generate extra income outside of your main job. Another great way to generate additional income is through investments. This could be in stocks, real estate, or even peer-to-peer lending. Generating passive income from investments allows you to earn money without having to work constantly for it. Finally, online platforms offer a wide range of opportunities to generate income. Websites like Etsy, YouTube, and Patreon allow creators to earn money through their talents, whether it's through crafting, video creation, or providing exclusive content. Having multiple income streams not only gives you financial security, but also allows you to increase your wealth more quickly. The more ways you can earn, the faster you can pay off debt, build your savings, and reach your financial goals. There you have it, the top 5 essential money skills that schools never teach. From budgeting with the 50/30/20 rule to understanding how to generate multiple income streams, these skills will set you up for a secure and financially free future. Mastering them will help you take control of your finances and build wealth for the long term. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on financial literacy and wealth building strategies. Let me know in the comments which money skill surprised you the most and which one you're excited to start using. I'll see you in the next video.